Hi guys, welcome back to Practically Creative with Melissa. Welcome back to the Block of the Month with Sylvia at You and Me FPP. Our block of the month this month is a lily, and here's my block. I've got it all ready to go, and I intended to show you how to do this using my embroidery machine and a file that I created myself, but my embroidery machine is not working right for me today. So I'm going to go ahead and do it with regular applique on my sewing machine. I will show you the end block once I have it done, and then after I show you the end block, then you'll get to see the embroidery part of this. I know it's backwards. Not everybody enjoys the ASMR. So if you want to see the ASMR part of this video, it will be after I show you the finished block. And this is not going to take long for you guys. All I've done so far is I've cut my block. I've put in the green base for the flower, and then I've gone ahead and cut out my pieces with my scan and cut so that I can put my petals on here. And in just a minute, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. And I don't want to stop to rewind a bobbin for you. So there is the final Easter lily block. This is going into the quilt that I'm doing as a block of the month quilt along with Sylvia. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up, maybe share the video with your friends or tell them about it. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like more content like this, or if you would like to learn how to use your brother's scan and cut and your embroidery machine together to create quilts of patterns that you choose instead of having to always buy somebody else's pattern. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. The ASMR is going to follow this, so there won't be an ending after the ASMR. I'll just say I ran out of bobbin, and or I one bobbin chicken, and then it'll be over. Y'all have a great day. Thank you very much for watching. Is the ASMR part for the people who, like me, enjoy watching ASMR sewing. I'm going to slide this up under here, and then I'm just going to sew it. Hopefully not talk a whole lot for you guys, because obviously you can hear my voice is like really bad, but we will get this started and let's get going. I have this on a pretty wide stitch length. I've got it on a 4 and a wide width on a 4 and a short length. So we're just gonna sew. Would you like closer? I can do that. Now, one thing I like to do is I like to make it so that my needles goes down whenever I stop sewing. And let's do this.
Ran out of bobbin. I won bobbin chicken. All right, so let's back up here and I'll show you the final block. Okay, so here is our final block. I need to put a little bit of embroidery right down through there, but I won bobbin chicken.